How to avoid tolls on Google Maps iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Google Maps application on your iPhone. Google Maps is a mapping platform that offers real-time GPS navigation, traffic conditions, and transit information. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, scroll to Find and select Settings. On the Settings page, at the top, find and tap on Navigation. This will take you to the Navigation Settings page. Here, scroll to find the Route Options section and tap on the toggle switch next to Avoid Tolls. Enabling the switch indicates that the setting is now active. Following these steps, you can easily avoid tolls on Google Maps on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.